SignalFx is a SaaS-based monitoring and analytics platform based in San Mateo, California, which allows customers to analyze, visualize, automate, and alert on metrics data from infrastructure, applications, microservices, containers, and functions. At the core of the platform is a streaming architecture that splits metric data points into two streams, one for human-readable metadata and the other for time series values. The data is routed through a pub/sub bus to SignalFlow, a Python-like analytics language accessible through the main SignalFx GUI and through programmable APIs. The platform is able to process millions of data points per second at 1-second resolution with less than 2 seconds of latency, from ingestion to alert. History: SignalFx was co-founded by Karthik Rao and Philip Liu in February 2013. Philip Liu previously worked at Facebook for 4 years as a software architect, and Karthik Rao worked at Delphix and VMware. SignalFx received $8.5 million in a Series A investment from Andreessen Horowitz, adding Ben Horowitz to its board. In 2015, SignalFx received $20 million in Series B investment led by Charles River Ventures with participation from Andreessen Horowitz, adding David Yellerker to its board. In May 2018, SignalFx announced its Series D funding of $45 million led by General Catalyst with participation from existing investors Andreessen Horowitz and Charles River Ventures. This round brings total funding for SignalFx to $103.5 million since its founding in 2013. SignalFx currently serves over 100 customers, including Athena Health, Cherish, HubSpot, Ellie Mae, Carbon Black, Kayak, Shutterfly, Sunrun, and Yelp. References: external links. Official site.